Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Flagstar app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see here we have the Flagstar app. So the first thing to fix it is to clear the existing storage. So to do that you have to just click on here and click on the I button. Then you have to scroll down at the last we can see storage, and at here we have to go and click on clear data. Then here you have to open the app, then it should work. If it's not work, you have to check for the updates on the Play Store. Okay, so you directly go to the Play Store and check for the updates. If it's not work, then you have to reinstall. So to reinstall, you will directly click on here and click on the uninstall button, then click on OK. So your app will be deleted. Then you have to reinstall the app and it will be work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.